Good morning, students. How are you? You guys will be safe. Okay. Myself Narendra. But today we will talk in class 12th standard chemistry in your unit number second. Your topic is azeotropic mixture. Okay, students. Here, azeotropic mixture. What is azeotropic mixture? Means when we added a solute and a solvent, when we added a solute and a solvent in a definite proportion. Okay, students, when we added a solute and solvent in a definite proportion, okay, then it's boil at a constant temperature, okay, without any change their composition or concentration, known as azeotropic mixture. When we added a solute and a solvent in a definite proportion, then it's boiled at a constant temperature without any change their composition or a concentration. Okay. For example, this is a solute. Okay, students, A, and this is our solvent B. Okay, students. When mixing to each other, then formed a solution AB. Here it means definite proportion, means suppose that this is 5%, this is 95%. Here this is 95 plus 100%. So this is the definite proportion. And second case is the at then solution will be boiled at a constant temperature. Suppose that here the temperature boiling point of component A is 100 degrees Celsius and boiling point of B will be 100 degrees Celsius. This is the example of azeotropic mixture. Generally, azeotropic mixture are two types. Number one is minimum boiling point azeotropic mixture. Okay, students. And second one is the maximum boiling point azeotropic mixture. Maximum boiling point azeotropic mixture. Okay, students. First is the minimum boiling point azeotropic mixture, means suppose that example is here, the example of minimum boiling point azeotropic mixture is ethanol plus H2 water. Here suppose that this is the container, this is solute is H2O. Okay, students, and this is the second container C2H5OH, ethanol. Okay, mixing to each other, then formed a solution. Here suppose that the boiling point of H2O is 100 degrees Celsius. Here C2H5 78.39 degrees Celsius. Here the boiling point of here A and B. Here A and B. Okay. Here the boiling point of this solution or mixture, we can say that is 78.15 degrees Celsius. Here the boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius, 100 degree Celsius of H2O, and here 78.39 degrees Celsius, but this is the greater than their boiling point of solution. Okay. So this is the minimum boiling point. Here this is minimum boiling point. Here the boiling point of A 78 and boiling point of B 78.15 degrees Celsius. So this is the example of minimum. And next is maximum boiling point azeotropic mixture, means suppose that example is H2O plus HNO3. Here this is the H2O. The boiling point of H2O is 100 degrees Celsius and second one is the HNO3. The boiling point of HNO3 is 83 degree Celsius. Okay, students. Then form a mixture. Okay, here the boiling point of in this mixture is greater than the boiling point of nitric acid and water. Here, suppose that this is the 125 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the maximum boiling point azeotropic mixture. Okay, student, the solution is H2O plus nitric acid. So this is the maximum boiling point of azeotropic mixture. This is minimum boiling point of azeotropic mixture. Generally, azeotropic mixture are not separated by fractional distillation because their boiling point will be same. Here, boiling point will be same. A is 78.15 degrees Celsius. B will be same here as it is. Okay, only separated from the azeotropic distillation. Okay, student. Thank for watching.